In a world shaped by inflation, bank bailouts, and financial uncertainty, one digital asset has challenged the global system: Bitcoin. From mysterious beginnings in 2009 to headlines in Wall Street today, Bitcoin is no longer a fringe experiment. It's a movement, a store of value, and for many, the future of money. In this video, we explore how Bitcoin works, why it matters, what's changed in 2025, and what might come next. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, this is the ultimate guide to Bitcoin: faceless, factual, and future-focused. The Bitcoin story begins in 2008, during a financial crisis that shook the world. In October of that year, an anonymous figure, Satoshi Nakamoto, published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The goal? To remove third-party control from money, to create a currency that runs on math and code, not trust in institutions. On January 3, 2009, the first Bitcoin block was mined. Embedded in that block was a headline from The Times: Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. It was both a technical beginning and a political statement. Bitcoin would be governed by its code, not by governments. So, how does Bitcoin work? At its core, Bitcoin runs on a blockchain, a public digital ledger shared across thousands of computers worldwide. Transactions are verified by a decentralized network using a method called proof of work. This process is known as mining. Miners compete to solve complex cryptographic puzzles. The winner adds a block to the chain and receives newly minted Bitcoin as a reward. The maximum supply of Bitcoin is fixed at 21 million. That scarcity gives Bitcoin value, similar to gold. And every 4 years, a halving event reduces the mining reward, increasing scarcity even further. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any central bank. It's open source, transparent, and borderless. Fast forward to 2025, Bitcoin is no longer an underground technology. It's a trillion-dollar asset. Major institutions like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and Fidelity now offer Bitcoin investment products. Bitcoin ETFs are traded daily. Countries like El Salvador and more recently Argentina and Nigeria have integrated Bitcoin into their financial systems. It's also a financial lifeline in inflation-ridden economies. In places where traditional currencies are collapsing, Bitcoin offers an alternative. Bitcoin's second layer, the Lightning Network, has made transactions instant and nearly free. And despite market cycles and corrections, Bitcoin's long-term growth continues to outperform most traditional investments. Is Bitcoin safe? Yes, the Bitcoin network is one of the most secure digital infrastructures in the world. But you must protect your private keys. Without them, your coins are gone forever. Can Bitcoin be banned? Not realistically. Countries can restrict or regulate access, but Bitcoin's decentralized structure makes it censorship resistant. Is Bitcoin anonymous? Not completely. It's pseudonymous. Every transaction is public, but wallet addresses aren't tied to real-world names, unless revealed via exchanges or leaks. What about the environment? Bitcoin mining does consume energy. However, by 2025, over 60% of mining reportedly uses renewable sources. Green mining is becoming the norm. Is it too late to invest? It depends on your goals. Bitcoin remains volatile, but many see it as a long-term hedge against inflation and fiat instability. Always do your own research. So, what's next for Bitcoin? In 10 years, Bitcoin may become a true global reserve asset, held by nations, banks, and individuals. Financial tools like Bitcoin-backed loans, crypto mortgages, and retirement plans are already emerging. Governments are racing to create central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, but many experts argue Bitcoin remains the most transparent and incorruptible form of digital value. Technological upgrades like Taproot and potential sidechains continue to improve privacy and scalability. And for the millions living under authoritarian regimes or hyperinflation, Bitcoin could mean the difference between freedom and control. The question is no longer, will Bitcoin survive? It's how much of the world will run on it. Bitcoin started as an idea, an alternative. Today, it's a global phenomenon. It challenges how we define money, trust, and freedom in a digital age. Whether you hold Bitcoin, plan to invest, or simply want to understand it, remember, Bitcoin isn't just code, it's a movement. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, leaving a like, and sharing it with someone who still thinks Bitcoin is a scam. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay decentralized.